You fell into me and I didn't know what to do, 'cause you fell into me and I fell backwards too. But now I know how it feels to fall in love with you, and now I know how it feels, and I hope that you know too. 'Cause I never felt this way about anyone else. When you fell into me, I didn't know what to say.
Today, I'm off work. Yay! Okay, before I get ready, I'm just gonna show you a quick unboxing because I have stuff in the mail. I'm really excited about it. These ones I got from AliExpress. So that's like an online retail shop. Let's open this one first. I think I know this one. Spoon and fork container. Okay, just a plain dirty white color. So that's how it looks. It's quite cute. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't it pretty? See? That's pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but I really love the colors. I'm gonna get a frame for this one. I love opening packages. They're not real. They're just little rings. So like fashion rings. I'm gonna show you. I'll wear them for you. Let me see. Oh, I have to get some for my sisters. I'm sure they love this. See? Really cute. They're all really pretty. I'm gonna order more for my sisters.
Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração.
Okay guys, good morning. It's another day and I just finished working out. I did that first thing so that it's off the list already. And then I went to a quick shower and I had my breakfast. Today was quite a hard day in the gym. I did do my butt workout routine and it's quite sore a little bit right now. So I don't know how it'll be tomorrow. I think it's gonna get even worse, but we'll see. Today is a Tuesday and I'm on my day off, which isn't normal because I usually work on Tuesdays, but today I filed a leave so that I could be with my ninang. My ninang's like a godmother in the Philippines, so she lives down south. That's like 4-hour drive from the city. My ninang and her husband came here into the city because my ninang's husband has to have an appointment, like a surgical appointment. So my ninang will be staying in an Airbnb all by herself. I just thought maybe I'll just book a leave for that so that I could accompany her. So I will have to pack some stuff for sleeping over and for tomorrow. We're done. I look like a schoolgirl, but I'm done. I'm ready, and we are leaving.
Right on time, we fell right into each other. Couldn't pull myself away, and I know love is blind, so reputation didn't matter. It doesn't matter, does it, babe? But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave.
Oh, you might need that one because we will cross the street.
It's not going to be cold.
It's my goddaughter.
Okay.
Delete na, be?
Just say...
Delete na pala yung gata.
Say hi, Uncle Keith. That's my vlog.
Okay, hi.
My Uncle Keith, who looks so handsome. And
Handsome and old. Hi.
this is Nina.
I'm the goddaughter of
Goddaughter.
Jessa.
Goddaughter.
Oh, shit. Take that out. Yeah, I'm the godmother of Jessa. And that's the godfather of Jessa. Look at the goddaughter. See?
goddaughter.
She's gorgeous.
We're a happy family.
Happy family together.
Not nervous. I would be nervous. Where are you waiting?
Cebu, which is me.
And you're the one in Cebu.
She was the first choice. If I was rejected, I was going to Menor.
Wait. Why is she the first choice? Why is she the first choice?
Physical attraction for starters.
Oh. Really?
No, tell the truth. It just looks.
But she's funny. Is she funny?
I am funny.
You're crazy.
On the letter?
I would love to be your stars and
Milkshake or not zero?
I would love to be
Okay. We're gambling and this is the master gambler.
I'd love to be the one to make you
Just wanna be taco lovers group meal.
I'd love to be the one who'd always say that I love you back. I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more I'd make you
Probably about 3/4 now. It's probably about 3/4 now. I had no clock. I don't have a clock.
What did you eat?
Oh, I had roast, pork.
I have roast.
We had tacos. Bless. Painful? Is it painful?
No, not really. Just discomfort.
cause all the shades of blue.
I'm drinking. What is this?
It's a turmeric. Cinnamon with honey.
What's it? Okay, guys, it's another day, and today I'm gonna be going to the grocery shop where I went to yesterday in the city because I left my DJI camera case in there. It looks like a small umbrella, so I didn't think they were gonna find it. I thought I was gonna lose it. When I left the store and I was on my way back home in the bus, I realized I didn't have the case for my camera. I left it in the basket, like the grocery basket. So I called them right away. I called the store right away, and then I asked if they could see if there was something that was left, like a small case for a camera, and they said they found it and they were happy to keep it in the lost and found for me to pick up at my convenience. I'm very glad that I didn't lose it because it definitely protects my camera. That's our main agenda for today. So I'm just gonna grab the case, the DJI camera case, and then I might, not really sure if I will, I might go home straight away, or I might go a bit of shopping because I've been thinking of sending a balikbayan box to the Philippines. I'm planning on getting some stuff for everyone, so I usually send one each year. I just put in some food, some gadgets, just little stuff that they would enjoy. We're ready!
햇빛이 비추는 날 내 맘에 꽃이 폈다 창가에 기대 앉아 이 노래를 부른다 그래 넌 푸른 바다 like a picnic on the shoreline with a toast and jelly just like how sweet it is that you're mine and when you don't hit reply my heartbeat goes like cosine.
So cute! That looks pretty, isn't it?
그때 나를 바라볼 때 심장이 멎은 듯해 무궁화 꽃이 폈게 움직일 수 없어 baby My flowers made in your light and I'm blooming by your side You know I've been waiting for too long now 지금 right now sunshine on the shoreline feels like a super trooper Is this the Truman show right now 너가 제일 좋아하는 음악을 들려줘
Okay guys, I'm home. That's probably it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to school. Anyways, I just also wanted to say I recently hit 1,000 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, but it means so much to me, and I'm just so grateful for everyone who subscribed to my channel and who clicked the video and watched even just a few seconds of my video. Means a lot to me. I appreciate everyone. I'm just happy to be here and to be able to share snippets of my life and to be able to do this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next vlog.
이 노래 말고 어디서 본 듯한 익숙한 눈빛과 내 맘은 떨려와 난 멈출 수 없어 햇빛이 비추는 나루린 말